Here's a game. A Russian name, maybe? I can't read that. Let's see, I get to go first. Let's put a stone on the 4-4 point. And played the diagonal point, so let's come down here to a 4-3 point. And he did a 4-4. So I can enclose, I can do the low Chinese. Let's try that. One of the few opening I know the name of. And that's about all I know about it. The low Chinese opening. Let's see, so I can block here. It's a very close approach. Usually they approach from further away. So he's trying to build maybe something on this side of the board by playing like that. I'm building fourth line territory here. Let's play another stone, and then jump. I can still come in here and invade, so he's not yet got that whole upper side. And but he's going to try. So let's start with an approach over here and see how he reacts. Could also just place something in the middle, but I'm not sure whether I should try and build something over here or try to go towards the center. Okay, well that's the standard back off. Okay, so let's approach the corner. So I'm going to try and get a piece of the corner and then back off in this direction. So he stopped that. So he's giving up the whole corner, but maybe he's hoping to get something big over here. So let's take the corner. And I'll try to reduce this area and keep it from getting too big. This is a very impressive looking wall over here. But maybe I can jump in here, or maybe I can jump out over here. Yeah, so he's trying to enclose that whole area. Yeah, it seems like it's a bit greedy. But is there a way to punish that? Well, let's jump out here. I don't want just to have this tiny group in the corner all surrounded. So maybe as he jumps out and I jump out, you know, I'm surrounding those stones. Okay, now I need to do something over here. Look at this spacing here. 1, 2, 1, 2 here. Yeah, I can actually make a base inside here. Maybe it's not a totally secure base because he has these two stones over here and this wall over here. So it might be a little bit troublesome to live here, but it will force him to place some more stones in this area. And if I do live, I will be eating into his territory. I have this stone here at Q. I can play at Q18 here underneath. We'll see. So we're going to have a little fight here. See if he can kill my stones or let them live. Ah, yeah, so he went for that right away. So let's... if I go here, he will cut. Okay, I can attack this stone. And then try and connect underneath on this side. I just need to live on one side or the other. Connect to one side or the other to live. Yeah, so now he's threatening to capture. So let's... If I go here, connect. If I go here, he can capture. I'll take here. Let's see how this works out. He captures my stone, I capture his stone, and maybe he comes back and blocks. Yeah, maybe this is going to work out okay for him. So, let's think about this. If I play here, yeah, he blocked me from both sides, so I couldn't connect to either side. I didn't have enough space to live, so I have to jump out to the center. I don't want to give up those stones, though, and let him have that whole huge area. So I think fighting there was the right decision. I'll wait and see how this game turns out. He's going to try and cap me. But, well, if I come out enough, if I get enough space over here, for example, maybe I can actually live inside. So let's attack this stone. And connect here. And let's see, let's jump out here. I think I'm getting close to making this work. He can cut me off here. Yeah, he likes to do that. He can cut me off here at L17 and probably round up that group. But this little stick then will be alive. So I have to connect this way. And I can connect out either to this stone. Yeah, so we cut those guys off. So I'm going to have to abandon those. But I've been successful in limiting how big his group got over here. And I've connected these stones over to this side now. So it's not too bad. And, you know, I did win the corner. You know, he's still growing this direction. So I'm going to leave this area. I could jump out over here some more, play in this area. I could build on this side some more. There's some invasion points, so I could play here. It's actually a good idea, but maybe even bigger is to play over here. Yeah, we're both using our time about equally, so that's interesting. He hasn't been playing blindingly fast. He's been thinking about it. And I think playing some good moves. It's funny how he doesn't like to defend the corner. Well, playing a move like that breaks up. I mean, you know, maybe I had this potential building a giant space over here. So when he plays like that, it breaks it up. But it does give me the corner, which is, you know, usually worth a lot. Corners are usually pretty valuable. And I don't yet have this corner, so maybe my next move should really just simply come over here and secure this corner. Yeah, so I haven't quite secured this corner. That's playing a little bit fast, high and fast. Rather than coming back here at R5 there, that would secure that corner. Playing up here at Q6 is trying to grab more space and build on this side. And then let's come out in this direction. And, well, okay, so he wants to keep me sealed in. Let's jump out from this side.
7, 6, 5.
Very interesting.
4, 3.
I don't quite get his idea here. Oh, his idea is to build a wall. That's what he's
1.
doing. Okay, so I should react to that in some way. I shouldn't have let him build that wall so casually. So let's go back to this side. And let's jump in here. Yeah, so I'm going to build a little bit of a wall here so that, oh, let's see, so my stones can live here, right? Let's play here. I'll give up this advanced stone here if he wants to take it. Yeah, it's very interesting. So he likes to build in the center. And okay, that's a good move, peeping into my territory and creating some cracks. So he is just going to secure what I have over here and let him take some of this area. So he wants to hit that one. That's okay. Let's go here, here, or jump out from this side. I just don't want his whole big area in the center to become his territory. As it is, I've got lots of potential on the side, and I've got the corners. He can still creep into this corner, I guess. So I think I'm really ahead unless he can, build something big here. Ah, he's going to cut there. That's an interesting strategy. So maybe he's going to try and kill these two stones and keep that territory. So let's, where can I connect these guys to? I can't connect down here or here, so they have to run pretty fast. Let's run in this direction. Yeah, I was wondering if I just did a two-space jump. Yeah, if I did a two-space jump like that, he would block. But if I did just a one-space jump, he would block in this direction and have lots of space over there. So the question is, can these stones live, or should I give them up immediately? I have some tempo moves here. I'm going to keep playing in the center here a little bit, and let's see what happens. This may be the story of the game here. If captures these stones in the center, then he will get quite a bit of territory. But he's in trying to do that, he has built up, he's given me a lot of territory on the side. So maybe my territory on the side is bigger than what I'm giving him on the center. Maybe I should just give up these stones. Let's think. I could cut here, though, and win this stone. So he decided to take care of that. I can cut here and win that stone. That's the way to get out. Yeah, so I probably should have thought more. I mean, if I can just rescue these stones, then that's just way better than anything I could do elsewhere, I think. So yeah, so now I'm connected to this side here, and so he can't really build any big territory in the center. So I think that was a successful adventure. And now my main job will be to secure this side and not let him eat up too much of my territory. Yeah, so I'm going to give those up. I'm going to secure this side here. Place a stone here, stone here. Let's go here. Maybe even up high, like this. And he can creep in a little bit. I don't mind. He makes one more move there. What I want to do is let's make sure I get
10, 9, 8, 7.
all of this. At some point, I guess I have to come back and rescue these stones. So maybe it is a good time to do that. Not that they need rescuing, but I have to make sure they live and I get as much space as I can. So we're sort of getting into end game, where I think I'm much better. And just neatening up the borders here. So what should I be doing here? Should I, still don't like the looseness of this border over here. Yeah, and he can steal a few points from this corner. Trying to creep in like that, that's good play probably. Here, if I go here and he cuts, I will take. So I think that's okay for me. I think that's a bit overplay, that double honey. If he comes back and protects, then oh no, I can't play there because he's got that covered. Okay, so that corner is secure, right? He can't cut in any of those places. And let's secure this area. Yeah, that's good. That's getting some space for him there. I have to block like that. So let's connect that connection, protect that connection. And let's just go forward in this direction. Here. So these are all very slow moves. I'm just playing this way cautiously because I think I'm winning by a lot. I just want to secure the borders and make sure everything is okay here. I don't suddenly give away large chunks of territory. Yep. Okay, so this border looks secure to me. I see if he cuts in here, I attack this way. Yeah, there's a ladder here. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, his ladder just runs into the side there, so I don't need to protect that cut. Where did he play? He played in this corner. Okay, let's protect that one. There we go. So I have a couple of eyes back here, so this should be alive. And let's protect that. So he's playing a decent endgame. He's just trying to win as many points as he can around the corners. And like I said, I'm giving him little points here and there, or I'm playing cautiously so as to keep my advantage. Let's see. So yeah, he's continuing to surround that. So his territory is this area here. What can I do? I should play the best moves though. Let's play in here and see, make the borders as favorable as possible to me. And where is another border I can expand there? That gains a point if I take that. And he has to fill in here. I'm threatening those 3 stones. And let's play here. That threatens these stones. So he needs to protect somehow. Let's see, I think it's all good for him though. I mean, I don't think he's going to lose these, although this only has 2 liberties here, and this only has 2 liberties, so he has to be a little bit careful. So he chose that. But if I play here, he will connect there. If I play here, he'll connect there. So I think that's okay for him. So let's just grab a point over here. And he gained a point there. Okay, let's see. I have to connect the right way here. If I connect here, and he plays there, I can connect here. If he plays here, I can capture. I think that's correct. Okay, so those are Dame points. That didn't gain or lose anything. This is a Dame point. Dame is like neutral. That's a neutral point. So I think everything, these are lost. He's going to win those. I can't play in here.
10,
I can't expand this
9,
group or that group.
8,
so I'm going to pass
6.
and see if he has any other areas that he wants to play in. But as far as I can tell, everything is settled. It's all his territory in the center here. See, so I just have to be careful. He took a liberty away from this group, but it still has plenty of liberties, so it didn't change anything. It doesn't hurt him to play those points either. And there are some variations of Go where you're supposed to fill in all of the neutral points before you finish the game, but here you don't have to online. Okay, so he accepted. Let's see. You know, I was going to give him these stones. I wasn't trying to capture them. So let's look at that. He gets those stones. He gets those stones. That's all correct. Okay, so I had 100 points and he had 87.5. So that's actually a little closer than I thought. But well, you can see this giant territory on the side is really pretty big. And this territory in the middle, I mean, the key idea was to reduce it. And when I was able to invade here and then save these stones, that reduced that area by enough to win the game, even though I gave up these stones here and a couple over there. So good game, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you later.